Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna do the VZ basic setup part 2, and this time we're gonna do some chassis reinforce, and also we're gonna do the gear about the transmission. We're gonna do the floating gears and for this VZ chassis. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna do the reinforced part for this, the propeller shaft, and like I showed in the video before and about how to reinforce that. It's same problem with the VS, but the VZ is getting better because it has much more stronger on that part. You can see the picture, I put it over here. So we're gonna using this, the leftover parts, and to do the support on that spot. Alright, and also we're gonna do the floating gear and front, and we're gonna do something on the gear and to make it the transmission works better. But of course, here's I want to say is this just the way I want to do the VZ chassis. It doesn't mean it's a perfect way. I'm pretty sure there's a lots of people they know how to do it, and maybe they can get it done better than I do. So here I just share my idea. All right, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here you can see the support I already made right over here. Okay, and so what you need to do is just apply a little bit crazy glue on the side and at the bottom over here. So just make sure it's not apply on this spot for the propeller shaft. All right, so just on the side and the bottom. Okay, and for the front, you can see here I have using the silver mark pen to mark this spot that we have to do some cutting later. In the bottom here in the center, this one, and you can see the hole over here, and we're gonna make a little bit bigger. Okay, so this one we're gonna cut it off, and this one we're gonna make it bigger. So then we're gonna do the gears and transmissions for this one. All right. Okay, so now you can see, like, for the transmission, that part we already adjusted the space. So here you can see the penny gear space, sorry, the plastic roller bushings and 1.5mm spacers. Everything has been done. And the other thing is, if you want to improve your gear adjusted much more better, of course you can put the motor spacer behind the yellow gear and the pink gear at the back over here. You can do that as well. And then later on I will have a video and shows people how to take the motor spacer from the motor. Okay, so later on I will have that video upload, so just give me a little bit time to make that video. And also this time what we're gonna do, we're gonna using this you can see this one. This is our new floating gear for the single shaft, the 3.5, the double 520, the single shaft floating gears. So you can see it's like the same thing as the double shaft, the crown gear, sorry, the counter gear. So it's same thing for the double shaft. And then of course this one I haven't washed it properly yet, so because I just got it. So we're gonna using this time and to build our VZ. And this one is still just a sample for me that I have just right now, but later on we will adjust it much more better and make it ready for people if somebody interesting on it. So I will once it's ready I will have a video for it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this one back. Okay, so of course here the propeller shaft we have adjusted as well in the video. I think you should see that as well. So this is today's video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button here. And also if you want to see more video like this, please subscribe and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.